Now, Group A leaders Kingston College had their perfect record cracked by Calabar as the two played out a 1-1 draw in today's Issa Manning Cup fixture at Red Hills Road. Calabar, who are currently third in the group, went ahead through Javel Watson in the 62nd minute. They held the lead until the 83rd, when Kelvin Brown secured a point for the Purples, who are now on 19 points, 6 more than Calabar.
We came here intent not to leave with something. We got a point, albeit we'll have loved 3 points. But I thought if you look at the game closely, it was a fair result. I thought both teams would have gotten a couple of chances and 1 goal apiece. I thought it was overall a pretty good performance.
Typical Calabar Kingston College rivalry. You gave everything that we got and they gave us as much as we gave them. And it was just unfortunate that we didn't get the victory. After getting the go-ahead goal, I thought we could have maintained it, but sloppy defending in the last 10 minutes of the game gave them the equaliser and weren't able to get 3 points.
Also in Group A, Charlie Smith High, led by a double from LaQuain Stoney, blanked Penwood 5-0 to hand them their 7th straight defeat. The other scorers for Charlie Smith were Jamali Duhaney, DeAnthony Stevens and Damani Dawson, as the former champions are now on 12 points, 1 behind third place Calabar.
Our coach told us we need goals in this match because in case that we tied in the group and points, the goal difference can help us go through to the second round.
A bit the error from the goalkeeper. Can't cause first year, never want to keep, so we have just push him and tell him come again.
Elsewhere, title holders Jamaica College ran by Cumberland 8-1. St. George's College had a 7-2 win over Hosem Marty. Campion College edged Ardennes 1-0. Heidel got the better of Camperdown 4-1, while Jonathan Grant and Haile Selassie ended 0-0. Defending champions Clarendon College continued their total dominance of Zone H in the Issa Rural Area Da Costa Cup with a 5-0 win over Thompson Town in their return match this afternoon. Leading 1-0 when the game was originally called off due to rain, Clarendon College added another 4 goals on the day. Christopher Hull added the first on the day in the 27th minute to make it 2-0. The gate was now open for Kaheem Dixon to score a hat-trick. His first came in minute 59 and he then scored in the 65th and 78th minutes.
Remember, the football not really started yet, so we don't really nothing for talk about yet. Because when you reach over the other side, you will know what is happening. So we have to take the major and stick. We take it from there, but we have to take it one day at a time. We're not really in the loud thing. We kind of take our time and do it.
And Noto Bay High missed out on securing a top 4 playoff place in Zone I despite outscoring Iona 6-2. Demar Knox scored a hat-trick in Noto Bay's win after scoring in the 6th, 21st and 75th minutes. The win was Noto Bay's 5th of the season, but because of the group format, they'll have to play outside the top 4, a move which disappoints the camp.
I think if the format they run as how it run last year, for sure we're in it. Knowing that our team is one of the top team, dominating and just lose 2 games. And at this point we don't get the chance to play the other teams at return.
Elsewhere, Manchester High defeated Mount St. Joseph 3-0 and Racines blanked Merlin Otti 8-0.